Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's another beautiful tutorial for you guys, another wig making. So guys, if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe, and when you do so, remember to click on that notification bell beside the subscribe button. When you do so, you will get notification whenever I upload a new video. If you are new to my channel, you are so welcome to this channel. I love you guys. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how I was able to achieve this beautiful look alike closure. So guys, I believe by now we all know how to sew the back of our hair very well. If you don't know how to do that, you can watch other tutorials on wig making in this my channel. So guys, as you are sewing the back of your hair, when you get to the front 1 inch closer to the net where you are supposed to finish up your hair, you stop. So I have already stopped here. The next thing I will do now is to place another hair directly opposite where I stopped, then sew it round. This tutorial is a well-detailed tutorial for your understanding. Sew it very well. So guys, when you are done sewing the hair round, the next is you have to drop one side of the hair. But before you do that, you have to use your comb to divide the hair into two. After you might have finished sewing it, then you use your clip to hold one side, then the other side you drop it down, then you start sewing. So this first sewing is not going to be tight. You just run your thread freely from the beginning to the end. So I think the easiest way is for you to use a chalk and mark the line where you want your middle part to appear. Then you sew. So when you are coming back the second time, you can now tighten the thread. And remember, as you sew the hair, remember to check the line. Make sure that your thread is on the straight line. So I'm done with the first side. I'm going to go ahead and work on the second side. So but before I go to the second side, I have to cut a pieces of hair. Then place it on that particular place where I sewed. Then you sew it again. Make sure you are following the thread. Don't shift your hand so that you will not spoil the line that you have achieved. So guys, when you are done, it's time to work on the other side. You just bring the hair down, comb it to make sure that it's neatly placed. To achieve this side, you have to just run your thread very close to where you want your middle part to be. Without minding whether the line is tiny or not, just run your thread. After you run your thread, it will be easier for you to get the line as tiny as you want it. So for you to get the line perfectly, you have to sew and always open the middle part. So you check to see if you are getting what you are doing. As you sew, you have to keep adjusting your thread until you get the size of the middle part you want to achieve. You see how I'm doing it? If I sew, I will open. As I'm sewing it, I'm adjusting my hand inside because I want to achieve a very tiny middle part. As you can see, I've got what I wanted, so I can easily sew freely like right now. Remember to follow your thread. So I'm done with this now. So I'm checking my line to see if everything is in order. So after you might have sewn, there are rooms for amendments. If you check and you find out that your line is not what you want or is not straight as you desire, you can amend it. Just look out for where the problem is coming from, then amend it from there. Go back and sew it again so that you can get a straight line. There are two ways I amend my line, which I'm going to show you guys. This is one of them. You sew inside or you sew outside. So I'm going to go ahead and tag the same hair on this particular side. Remember to sew it on top of the thread. So guys, the second stage of adjusting the line, exactly what I did right now, you can do it from inside. You have to open your line very well. So like the beginning of this side, I'm going to adjust it as well. Just wash my hand. This is how I do it. If I notice that the line is not straight, I'll do this to straighten it. You have to be careful while doing this. If you have a smaller needle, you can use the smaller one for this. Just tight it, and you see the line look more straighter. I'm going to do the same in this particular place that you are seeing here. So guys, I'm done. So the next stage, what I'll do now is to apply my concealer. Instead of applying it outside, I'm going to just go straight and apply it inside. Then I'll use a very nice brush to blend it on the outer part. After that, your wig is ready. So guys, if you like this tutorial, kindly support your girl by sharing this video. Subscribe if you have not subscribed. Drop your comment on the comment section below, and remember to give me a thumbs up. Thank you guys. See you in my next tutorial. Bye.